Cellular station, Quinones speaking up, can I help you?
Yes, hello. I'm currently with someone who is telling me they're suicidal. I was just wondering if you could guide me on what I could do to help them.
Where are they at right now, that person?
We're in, outside my house in his car.
Outside your house, where?
Inside his car.
What's the address?
North Rowan Avenue.
Is this your relative?
Yes, this is my brother.
Your brother. Okay. Does he have any weapons?
Yeah.
Yes, he does.
What does he have?
How you when you're gonna know?
I'm sorry?
Can I just tell him?
What?
He has a knife.
Alright. What's your name, miss? Your phone number?
Yes.
What's your brother's name?
David?
Hispanic male?
Hispanic male.
Age?
34.
34.
No, it's supposed to be 36, I think, right now.
Alright. What color clothing is he wearing?
I'm wearing, like, some raunchy-ass clothing. I've been doing drugs, and I haven't showered in a few days.
He's wearing black pants and a blue sweater and white shoes.
Any mental disabilities or any mental illnesses?
Nothing that has been diagnosed
Alright.
other than a long time of drug abuse.
What kind of knife does he have? A pocket knife?
No,
It's a big-ass butcher knife.
it's a regular kitchen knife.
Is he holding it in his hand or in
It'll be a surprise.
David.
Alright, yeah, it'd be easier if you just cooperate. You know, we're not trying to antagonize you, we're trying to help you.
Right.
He doesn't have it in his hands right now.
Where is it
It's
at?
in his car.
Okay.
It's in my body. It's in my possession.
Alright, well, what color vehicle you guys in?
I have.
Gold Cruise.
Yeah.
Cruiser?
It's a gold Cruise.
Chevy Cruise.
Chevy Cruise. Yeah, 2013 Chevy Cruise.
Hey, where's the kitchen knife? Is it next to him? Is it in the trunk?
It's on my person. It's on my.
He has it in his hand now.
Okay. Is this an ongoing thing that David is going through, having suicidal thoughts?
It has happened for a while already, and all night he hasn't slept all night because he's had these thoughts, and we've been trying to help him through it.
Is he under the influence?
Yes, he is.
Of what?
I believe it's meth. I think he just had too much of it, and he's used it, like I said. We know that he's used it at least for an entire month. But I think he just had too much of it or something with it that made him go overboard. But he's had, like, a history of abuse with it.
Okay.
He's also talked about suicide by cop, so I am afraid for that.
I'm sorry. Oh, he's mentioned it before?
Yes.
Do you feel secure?
I don't know. I mean, no matter what, this is my brother.
Yes, I understand, and it's good that you guys called. And you're trying to help him out. You know.
Yes, exactly that.
Yeah.
That's what I want.
I mean, are you on speaker?
Yes, you're on speaker.
I would just suggest, hey, I mean, yeah, it would be easier if he doesn't have the knife in his hand.
Can I have the knife? Please.
Again, you know, we're trying to help, but you know, having weapons in hand is not.
David.
David?
Please, give me the knife.
No.
Please?
Hey, David, your sister's trying to help you. You know, and again, we want to send help. We don't want to. We're not sending anybody who wants to antagonize him.
Continue Philly units, code 3 responses needed, 902A, 902R. North Rowan Avenue, East LA, tag 157, unit in 1. Unit in 3.
21 Adam and 1. 2.5.
21 Adam and 1, respond code 3, 21 Adam.
2.1 Adam.
22, respond code 3 as well, 22. These are units for on a call. Brother named in call, male Hispanic 34, wearing blue sweater, black pants, having suicidal thoughts. Both parties in a gold Chevy Cruze. DP holding kitchen knife, tag 157.
Hey, step out of the car. Yeah. Hey, put the knife down, dude. Put the knife. Come on, David. No, dude, we're not going to do that. We're not here. We already told you, we're not here for that, dude. We're not here to shoot you, dude. We're here to help you out. Hey, we're not here to shoot you, dude. We're trying to help you out. Why are you upset today? Why do you want us to shoot? Put the knife down, dude. Knife down. Let me. Hello, you ready?
Unit for Michigan is your service counted.
27 Henry 1.
27 Henry 1.
Hey, 27 Henry 1, do me a favor. Block on Michigan Road, northbound traffic.
Hey, you're escalating, bro. It doesn't have to be like this. Put the knife down. Talk to us. We'll get you some help, dude.
Arrow, are you on the channel?
Go inside. Hey, why are you putting in there arrest, dude? Hey, senor, get inside. Everybody get inside. Hey, move away from crossfire. Get away. Go inside. Put the knife down, dude.
If you're deploying less lethal.
Come on, David. Put the knife down, dude.
Trying to talk to the suspect and drop the knife.
Hey. Guy, hey. Go inside, yeah? You guys are in crossfire. Go inside. Hey, close the gate and go inside. David, just put the damn knife down, dude. Yeah, it's on its way, dude. Is that what you want? Okay. David, put it down. Move away from crossfire. Get away. Go inside. Put the down.
If you're deploying less lethal.
Come on, look, you have your car now, you're getting your stuff ready, come on! You're gonna all that?
Deputies are still trying to talk to the suspect and drop the knife.
Here, give it to me. Hey, David, come on, please. Give it to me. Hey,
do me a favor, close that gate, please.
You guys are in crossfire. Go inside. Hey, close the gate.
Close it and secure it close. Alright, back up onto your driveway. Thank you.
You guys ain't gonna get a ghetto food out here or what? Yeah, it's on its way, dude. Alright. Don't you want? Yeah. I want to channel 4 out here.
Hey, don't get any closer.
David!
Don't get any closer.
Around.
David!
Don't get any closer.
Around.
Hey, Sarge.
Closer, back up. Back up. Back. Back up. Don't get any closer.
¿Quieren grabar esto? ¿Esto quieren grabar?
Hey, Sarge.
¿De veras? Come on, por favor.
Hey, step back, David. Step back.
Hey, Sarge. I should hit him with one.
Yeah, too close. Step back, David.
Hey,
Last chance.
stand back, stand back, stand back.
Stand back. Drop it. Drop it.